Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to connect IBKR, which is Interactive Brokers, to TradingView in 2026 so that you can trade directly from your charts here. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you're looking for the TradingView premium subscriptions at discounted price, look no further because the Black Friday sale is going on. In this particular sale, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month free. If you are interested in this deal, make sure you check out the link of this page down in the description. Now here on this page, first of all, click on the option of products. Once you are here on your chart, simply click on this watch list icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, select that particular chart on which you basically trade. Now click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom left hand corner. Now it is going to show you all of the brokers in front of you. You will notice that it has interactive brokers available. If you don't see it here, simply click on this search icon on the top right hand corner of the screen and you need to search for interactive brokers. So once you are able to find it, you need to simply click on it and then click on the option of connect. Now it is going to open a new tab in front of you. Over here, you need to provide the information whether you want to create a live account with Interactive Broker or you have a demo account with them. So provide your username and your password and log into your account. Now, as soon as you do this here in the new tab, when you go on TradingView, you will notice that you have successfully connected your Interactive Brokers account with TradingView. Now, once the connection is established successfully, you will be able to punch your order here with the help of these tabs available on the top, and it will be very easy for you to make the orders over here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.